Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I made these rustic candle holders using Papercrete. So the first step is going to be mixing up your batch of Papercrete. Papercrete consists of 3 different ingredients. The first is paper pulp, the second is Portland cement, and the third is perlite. So it's a 3-to-1 ratio, so 3 parts paper pulp, 2 parts Portland cement, 1 part perlite. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, go ahead and mix it up really well. For this project, I decided to use yogurt cups as my mold, and you can use any type of container you want. I like to reuse plastic containers, so any type of container from sour cream, salsa, yogurt, anything like that seems to work really well as a mold. You're also going to want to spray them with a little cooking spray or put some oil in them just to make it a little bit easier to demold the project. But a little spoiler, I had a hard time getting the project out of these. I had to actually soak them in hot water, but we'll get to that later. So the next step is to fill your cups or whatever you're using as a mold with the Papercrete. And then what you're going to do is use your votive holder, so the little plastic or glass part of your votive candle, and you're going to push that right into the center of the Papercrete. Okay, so once you have finished filling up your mold and you're satisfied with how they look, go ahead and put them in a plastic bag to dry for about 7 days. Once they're dry, it's time to demold them, and like I mentioned earlier, it was hard to get these out of the molds. I'm not sure if it was just the shape of them or what exactly happened, or if the plastic just wasn't very flexible, but I tried to push the edges away from the Papercrete like I normally do, and that didn't work. And then I tried tapping on the bottom, which is usually the next step, and I got out a hammer to try and get them out, and they were not budging. So I got some hot water and I soaked them in the water and just kind of gently worked the edges away from the Papercrete, and eventually they came out. But that's a little tip if you're having trouble with your mold and you don't necessarily want to cut the mold away, because that could actually leave a mark in your Papercrete. You can soak it so that the plastic becomes flexible. So once they were dried, they became this nice light gray color, and I paired it with a metal tray, just a long metal tray that I thought looked really cute with them. And these can be used indoors or outdoors. And if you wanted to paint these, you could do that as well. You could just use acrylic paints. You could also stain them. There are honestly so many possibilities with this. And here's a view of what they look like outside. I think they turned out super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.